Hello students, in last class we did autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition, we covered the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The organisms make their own food with help of water and chlorophyll in presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. Then we did the details of the photosynthesis. In which we did material required, and the process of photosynthesis. Today our topic is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we know the organism depend upon the other organism for their food. So the food is uptake or eaten by the heterotrophic organisms. If we talk about unicellular organism, this amoeba, this process is known as phagocytosis. What happens? This is an amoeba cell. When the food particle is in reach of amoeba cell form a finger-like projections. These finger-like projections trap the food particle into the vessel. This vessel is known as phagolysosome. In this phagolysosome, lytic enzymes are released. These lytic enzymes digest the food, and then the food is dissolved in the cytoplasm. We'll go once again. This is an amoeba cell. This is the food particle. When the food particle is in reach of amoeba cell form finger-like projections known as pseudopodia. This pseudopodia traps the food into the vessel. This vessel is known as phagolysosome. The food particle is trapped in this vessel, and where the lytic enzymes are released, these lytic enzymes digest the food particle, break it into the smaller particle, and this is released into the cytoplasm of the amoeba. This process is known as phagocytosis. If the food is solid, then this process is known as phagocytosis, and if the food is liquid, then this process is known as pinocytosis. In the next class, we will do the digestive system of human beings. Thank you.